Alright, here we go. I got a new creature of old that I believe is a Megalodon shark. And it's a full body of the shark. Right there would be the shark's face. And that's the shark's fin that's on the right side of the body. This is the fin that's on the left side of the body. That's the back fin of the Megalodon. And this is kind of just rounding out the body right in here. And the whole open part there is the body of the shark. It's kind of like a Megalodon, a Hammerhead, and a Megalodon. Or maybe it's just a Megalodon. There it is. New creature of old. Outside of Whitehall, Montana. Easy there, big boys. Easy. Ooh, he's mad. That one's stirring up dirt. Easy. That one's real mad. Easy, boy. All right. There it is. The Megalodon by Wehner. September 30th, 2019. Outside of Whitehall, Montana. I'll get it from a further out angle. And show it that way too, but this is close as I'd get without losing the perspective of the shark. Wow. Got some geese flying over it right now. Near the Jefferson. Whoa. Crazy. Hey, there's Manhead's face. Wow. And there's his feet right there. Amazing. That point there is his nose. Right below the point is his mouth. And then he's got like a headdress on. You can see where it starts. I got a car coming, but wow, that's awesome looking from here. Manhead, Montana. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Ryan Wehner's New Giants of Old. And the Honda. There's that Megalodon. There's its back tail. Ah, I can see it real good.